Hi, and welcome to the instructional video on how to operate our TV. First step is locate the Xbox controller, which is the smaller of the two controllers that will be left on the coffee table. This is the Xbox controller. Go ahead and pick it up. This X circle is the on button. Go ahead and point it at the Xbox and turn it on. That will turn on the TV. After the Xbox is booted up, you'll either be presented with this menu or this drop-down menu. Either or, you can either toggle down to Netflix, One Guide, or Disney Plus. After making your selection, like the cable, which is One Guide, it'll take a second for it to warm up. After that, you'll be able to toggle through cable as normal. This is the Xfinity controller, and I think we're familiar with how the Xfinity controller works. And if you want to get back to Netflix, go ahead and select the home button on the Xbox controller. Toggle through down to Netflix, and this will give you your Netflix selection. When you're ready to turn everything off, go ahead and hold the home button on the Xbox controller until this turn off console. Go ahead and toggle up and then turn it off. All right, happy TV viewing. Have a great day.